Welcome students. So in this video on the probability playlist, I would like to cover a topic called conditional selection. Conditional selection. So mostly in word problems, they are going to use the word with replacement and without replacement. So they are very, very important. They play a vital role in your conclusion part. How to work out problems on conditional selection. First one, with replacement. Number two, without replacement. Just remember, under with replacement, probabilities are not affected. Here, just quite opposite. Probabilities are affected. Here I am using the word affected. You can use other word also. Not going to change. Here, going to change. Going to change. Let us take a simple example to understand these two things. In a box, there are 3 colored balls, namely red, blue, and green. So I have taken here a box containing balls. Containing balls, red for suppose 10, blue 20, green 30. A box is containing balls of red color 10, blue color 20, green color 30. Thing is that each ball is manufactured perfectly. So these balls are unbiased. Be careful, unbiased. Unbiased means perfectly manufactured. Perfectly manufactured means same size and shape. That is same size, material, same size, material, weight also you can write. Weight and finishing or polishing we can say. Unbiased in the sense, or each ball, whatever you take, you feel the same touch. Only except by seeing the color you can have differentiate red, blue or green. If you hold any ball with your hands, you feel the same weight, same size, same shape. So there is no, you cannot be able to decide by checking the weight, it is red color or blue color like that. That is called unbiasedness. So what is the random experiment here? Selecting a ball. Selecting a ball at random. This is your random experiment. So you are going to pick up one ball at random. One ball at a random. Given setup is clear to you and the random experiment is clear to you. We are selecting a ball at random. Any ball. It will be red or blue or green, not being specified. Now write what is the probability? What is the probability that the ball selected is red color? Probability of selecting a red That means probability of red ball selection, I write R1. Means first ball is red. First ball is red. As I told you, there are 10 possibilities to get red ball. So here our favorable outcomes for red is 10 and total number of balls 10 plus 20, 30, 60 out of 60, that is equal to 1 over 6. Now what I'll do, I'm going to find out probability selecting a red ball with replacement. With replacement. So first ball is red color, its probability is 1 by 6 and it is being replaced back. Initially one ball is subtracted there, right? And again it is being added. So the count of the total outcomes won't be changing. So here what we are going to get probability of getting second red ball. Second red ball, I can write here probability. Here I'll write R2. R2. R1 is being replaced back. So count of red balls remains same. So what is M value and N value? They remain same. No change. You see probability of the next red ball is also same. Not a red ball. You can pick up any ball of color. Picking up of a second marble or ball, we can say with replacement condition, the probability will not be affected. With replacement, not affected, means no change in that. On the other hand, same problem, to understand the second concept or condition is that what is the probability selecting a green ball. Selecting green ball. So what you get here? Probability of selecting G1 and 8. First green ball. First green ball. As usual, there are 20 possibilities for green balls. M is 20 and total outcomes are 60. It is 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Selecting first green ball. Now I am going to write down selecting a green ball without replacement. Be careful. Without replacement. Means one green ball is being selected and it is not kept back in the box. So it is placed aside. Automatically there will be any mistake in here. Green ball is 30. It is 30 because green balls are 30 in number. So we are going to get 30 here. M is 30. It is 60. 1 over 2. And this green ball is thrown out and 1 is less from 30. So we are going to get probability of second green ball. I'll write G2. G2. G2 in sense, first ball is not being replaced. So M count will be not 30 here. It is 29. Because one ball is being outside the box. And what about that total number? It is 59, not 60. You see, the probabilities are affected. So, the second probability of the green ball depends on the prior one. Here, dependent case. Here, independent case. Independent case. So, you can choose the ball any color. Same idea you can able to interpret to understand with replacement and without replacement concept. So when without replacement is done, dependent situation comes. With replacement comes when events are independent. Events are independent. Hope this this example gives you clarity about these two, with replacement condition and without replacement condition, to understand when to use it. Have a look of it. Do share this video with your friends and post your comments regarding your queries. I am ready to answer you all. In next video, I am going to cover how to show events are dependent or independent based on your conditional probability, what I covered in previous video. All the best.